Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all text correction options located on this device. Firstly, just open Settings and scroll all the way down, then tap on System. Now you need to choose Languages and Input at the top and click on On-Screen Keyboard. Finally, select the keyboard and just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. In order to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!